Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use a liquid food colour in your Colour Me gel. First of all, you need to open the wallet. Once you've opened it, remove the contents. You will find inside that you have the Colour Me gel pouch, an instruction sheet, and a card with a piping bag on it. Remove the card from the piping bag. You will see there is a template on the card where to cut if you want to add a nozzle. On the other side of the card are instructions on how to get the gel out of the pouch and how to fold the card to use this as a scraper. There's an instruction sheet explaining how to add the colour and of course the gel pouch. Scrape the edge of the gel pouch as this is where you're going to cut. Squeeze some of the gel into a bowl. I am using a Queen brand liquid food colour, which is green. Pour some into the bowl. And with a teaspoon, you're going to mix it. Colour Me is metallic, so whatever colour you put in, you will end up with a metallic colour to work with. Notice that I'm squishing it against the side of the bowl and scraping it down with the back of the spoon. Add as much colour as you want until you end up with the desired colour you are after. This is what our gel now looks like. We're going to place this into a lace mat. This lace mat is a silicone lace mat, so it does not require any greasing of any description. Spread the gel on the lace mat and with a cranked handle palette knife, squish as much gel as you can into the mat. You really want to push down on the mat because you do not want any holes. If there are any holes, then you're going to get breakages in your gel when you pull the gel out of the mat once it has dried. Any holes will expand, and on expansion will cause breakages. As you can see, I'm using the card scraper to scrape any excess gel off the mat. I do this several times. Now I leave it to dry. Now that my mat's dry, I'm going to slowly pull the lace out of the mould. As you can see, it comes out quite easily. If it doesn't come out this easily, then your lace is not completely dry and you need to leave it longer. I try to hold where I am pulling it from so that there is no tearing in the process of getting the lace out of the mould. As you can see, after its first drying time, it is completely flexible, as Deco Magic normally is. Your Deco Magic lace is ready to use. Thank you for watching this tutorial.